Hello and welcome to INSTEP, your learning solution partner. This video intends to assist you with the direction to your training venues and the locations for parking when you are at INSTEP. First, you need to register at the security post. For mechanical workshop, you may follow this direction. From security post, go straight. In about 5 meters, turn right. In 50 meters, the parking area shall be on your right side. Once you're done parking your vehicle, the mechanical building shall be right in this direction. We hope that this video has been beneficial for you. Should you need further assistance, please contact your event maestro as per joining instruction email. Thank you for watching.